458 Planters Trace, a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom unit. Let's go on in and take a look. When entering the home, you can see a nice open living room, really high ceilings, and we also have a wood burning fireplace. I'll just come around so you can kind of see the full view there. And just off the living room, we have our dining room. Which takes us into the kitchen. Have our eat-in area. Open up the pantry there for you. Double sinks, dishwasher. Over center island there. Let me just see if I can pop outside here for a second. Just off the kitchen, we have our screened-in patio to that pretty awesome view. Nice shaded backyard. You can just see the pond there in the distance. Off the first floor here, we have our laundry. So we have our hookups for a washer and dryer, additional shelving. And if you came in through the garage, this would be your entryway here into this 2-car garage. Tons of storage for tools or anything that you would want to have stored in the garage area. It's also the location of our water heater for just a reference point, and the breaker box are both located inside the garage. If we continue down the hallway, we have our half bath. So you got your single sink and commode and tiled floors. Just around the corner from the half bath, there's a master bedroom and a master bath. Our ceiling fan kind of opened up some of the windows so you can see all the natural light coming in. Then our master bath's connected, and we'll continue on to the walk-in closet as well. So we have our double sinks, commode behind, and we have both a stand-in shower and jetted tub there for you. Just off of that, we'll kind of walk into the our closet for the master. I'll go to the other side so you can see tons of space there. And we'll just take this out of the way, which kind of brings us back into the living area where we started. So let's go on upstairs and we'll see the other 3 bedrooms and other full bath. In bedroom number 2, store left. Open up the closet so you can get an idea of the space there as well. Then bedroom number 3. Again, I just open up the windows and blinds so you can get an idea of the natural light that could come in if you choose not to turn on the lights there. And this room has a walk-in closet. Nice and roomy. We'll come on down, turn around. You can see tons of storage. And our 4th and final bedroom is at the end of the hallway here. Closet located behind the double doors, and then there's some attic storage space to the right next to that smaller door there. And all 3 bedrooms will share this 3-piece bath. So we have our tub, commode, and single sink. Nice view of the living area. And that's the overview of 458 planner space. Thanks for watching.